Hi, I'm Shweta Kulkarni from Astronera, and this year we have successfully implemented the project Astrotribe. This project aimed to develop the youth of the tribal community through astronomy. In India, the tribals are known as Adivasis, which means indigenous people. They are mostly from disadvantaged backgrounds and economically backwards. The project Astrotribe focused on the sustainable development goals of decent work, economic growth, and quality education. And this perfectly aligned with the OAD and IAU's goals of providing astronomy related knowledge and skills for sustainable socio-economic growth. So, the level one training was mostly theoretical training, which covered the astronomical concepts. And we also did their psychological evaluation through body movement activities to understand them better to select for phase two. Phase two or level two was focused on the skill development for the astronomy and also communication. So they learned to handle telescopes, identify constellations, and they also conducted some mock stargazing sessions. The students which were trained from this level one and level two went on to organize different stargazing programs with us. And these events that they conducted raised about 17,000 Indian rupees, providing the students their first ever income. Of course, there were so many challenges. Usually, these tribal students are sort of shy. They are meeting somebody new for the first time, learning a new subject. But after spending a little bit of time with us, they started enjoying talking about astronomy and learning about it. We didn't want to disturb the school curriculum, and also some of the students were involved in different activities like sports or cultural events. But the principal of the school was very collaborative, and our team was very flexible, so we could work our way around it. The vision of the project was quite tough to understand by a lot of teammates. We had tough time finding a developer who understands the vision, but now it's all good, and we'll be releasing the website in a couple of months. So this project has successfully provided the astronomical knowledge and skills for the sustainable socio-economic development. Over 40 students which were part of the level 1 and 16 students which were part of the level 2 gained their exposure in the field of astronomy. Also, we organized 5 stargazing events where the students showcased their skills for a captivated audience of about 100 people. The project has empowered students, to learn more about science, and now they are thinking of taking their further education in the field of astronomy or science, also making a difference by going back to their family and their community and talking to them about this, which is reducing the superstitions in their community. We also got a really good exposure at the CAP conference that happened in Sydney last year in 2022. And these students joined with me over there in the conference for a while. I'd love to show you what they said a little bit during the CAP conference.
My name is Vipul. I'm from EMRS Ajmer Saundane. Thank you, Sweta Didi at International Astronomical Union and Office of Astronomy Development to giving us opportunity to be part of the Astrotype project.
Thanks to Astroguide, we look forward our tribe in on the CAP conference in the future under Shweta's guidance. Thank you.
We have shortlisted 12 mentors so far, excluding me. And our mentors, Maria and Ariana from Brazil, are now helping us implement the Project Astro Tribe in Brazil. So these all are my trained astro guides, my stars. And when we were organizing the stargazing in Pune, we also got some people to give us a feedback. And as you can see, the response is very promising, really good. People really enjoyed it. We judged them on all these different criterias over here. And then we came up with these graphs. Like you can see the ratings of the mentors for this particular astro guide, ratings by the peers. And then we came up with the average rating. We are still in the process of creating our online platform, but here are some screenshots by our developer. The users of our website will be able to check the profiles of these astro guides. The users of the website will be able to reach out to the experts in the field to ask questions and doubts about astronomy or their specific field. This will bridge the gap between the curious public that just wants to know more about astronomy and these experts who have decided to be the mentors on Astrotribe. So it will also feature the resorts that we are organizing the stargazing events with. So of course, we'll be improving our website through our grant this year and train few more students from India and also from Brazil. But until then, you can keep in touch with us. Thanks and clear skies.